गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस। आज हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं फंक्शनल ग्रुप। बीच में 2-3 दिन तक वीडियो नहीं बना पाए थे, कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा रूटीन व्यस्त था और डोंट वरी, एक दो दिन और वीडियो शायद कल और परसों नहीं मिलेगा आपको, बट नेक्स्ट आफ्टर दैट till the examination you will get all videos regularly and even more than 1 or 2 videos in a day, and nothing to worry. I will solve the sample paper, some sample paper and questions from question banks also, therefore nothing to worry. And one more thing, in previous class perhaps and pentane, when we were discussing about the isomers, there I have given that CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH3, the isomers of the first member, first isomer of the pentane. This one is normal pentane, not butane. That was a slip of pen, nothing to worry. वहाँ पे कुछ जल्दी में आपने भी फोकस नहीं किया होगा, तो हमने एन ब्यूटेन मेंशन कर दिया था, बट वहाँ क्या होना चाहिए, देयर शुड बी एन पेंटेन. ओके, नाउ टुडे वी हैव टू स्टार्ट फंक्शनल ग्रुप. आज का वीडियो बहुत शॉर्ट होगा, लेकिन आफ्टर टुमारो और अ डे आफ्टर टुमारो हम लोग दो वीडियो देंगे एक दिन में और बहुत जल्दी टॉपिक क्लियर करेंगे, तो डोंट वरी, सारा कुछ हो जाएगा. Let's start the functional group. First functional group is alcohol. फर्स्ट में तो हमने कहा था एल्केन भी फंक्शनल ग्रुप है, एल्कीन भी है, एल्काइन भी है, बट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड ऑल थ्री. एंड वन मोर थिंग दैट जस्ट अ मिनट, वन मोर थिंग that halogens are also functional group, but we have discussed that. Now we have to start today. We have to start. Mark the heading alcohol. Alcohol. Its functional group is OH, you know, and the structural formula is OH. Did okay? Mention it. Today we will discuss 2 functional group. After that, first of all, you have to write down it. देखिए, अल्कोहल इसका फंक्शनल ग्रुप पहचाने. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई व्हेनेवर यू विल सी द OH एट द टर्मिनल और इन द मिडिल, यू हैव टू नेम दैट इट इज अल्कोहल. इज इट क्लियर? क्या देता है, विच फंक्शनल ग्रुप इज प्रेजेंट इन द गिवन कंपाउंड. गिवन कंपाउंड में फंक्शनल ग्रुप कौन सा है ये डिसाइड होगा बाय सीइंग इट. इसको देखना होगा, ये अल्कोहल है. इसका जनरल फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज जनरल. आई हैव गिवन यू जनरल फॉर्मूला. जनरल फॉर्मूला ऑफ अल्कोहल इज CnH2n plus 1 OH, and its suffix is most important thing. Its suffix is OL. All. Is it clear? How? Let's see. The first member of this group is, you know what? पहला ले लेते हैं. जैसे मेथेन में, इसको देखो कैसे सफिक्स ऐड करेंगे. मेथेन लिखेंगे पूरा, और इसमें जब OL ऑड होगा तो ये E हट जाएगा यहाँ से और OL यहाँ ऐड हो जाएगा. इसका नेम हो जाएगा मेथेनॉल. पूरा लिखेंगे. एल्केन प्लस OL इक्वल एल्केनॉल होता है. मींस मेथेन का केवल E हट जाएगा, OL ऐड हो जाएगा, एंड नेम विल बी मेथेनॉल. Is it clear? What should be the formula of methanol? Meth, you know, carbon should be 1. So carbon 1. And according to this formula, what should be the number of hydrogen? Yes, 2 1 2 plus 1 CH3. And there should be OH. This compound is named as methanol. Is it clear? Its IUPAC name is methanol. IUPAC name is methanol. IUPAC name. Sometime may it possible that you will get not IUPAC formula, but you will get the general name, common name. Its common name is, you have to remember it also. Don't ignore it. Common name is methanol. Common name of methanol is It's very simple. Meth means methyl. Whenever you are going to write the name of, then you have to write the alkyl group. Name of alkyl group. Meth means methyl. Meth means methyl. Methyl, and this is alcohol. Therefore, alcohol. Name of this compound, common name of this compound is methyl alcohol, and the name of this compound, IUPAC name of this compound is methanol. If somebody asks to give the structural formula of methanol, very simple. First of all, you have to write the carbon. First of all, yes. First of all, you have to mention all the possible carbons. जितने भी कार्बन है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू मेंशन कार्बन. जब कार्बन हो गया तो पहले इसमें ग्रुप ऐड कर दो, और हमने ग्रुप ऐड करने का तरीका बताया कि ये OH है, अल्कोहल है, ये यूनिट जाके ऐड होगा. इसके साथ अब इसके साथ कितना हाइड्रोजन है? 1 2 3. दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला ऑफ मेथेनॉल. इज इट क्लियर? राइट रोनी? Now let's see second member of this group. Methyl alcohol very important. Common name, जहां जहां common name बोल रहे हैं ना, जितनी बातें बोल रहे हैं माइंड में रखोगे. Second group, second member of this group is what? Second क्या होना चाहिए? C2H5OH. Name of this compound C2H5 means this one is ethane. ETHAN. E नहीं लिखना, E नहीं लिखना. OH shows that we have to add the suffix OL. What should be here suffix? Ol. Ethanol. Name of this compound is ethanol. Ethanol. And structural formula of this compound is 2 times C है तो पहले C लिख लोगे. पता है. इसके बाद इसमें ऐड क्या करना है? जो फंक्शनल ग्रुप है उसको ऐड कर दो तो OH ऐड हो गया. How many hydrogen atoms are needed here? There should be 3. There are 3 hydrogen atoms needed. So 1 2 3 1 2. Is it okay? This is the structural formula of ethanol and its common name. What is the common name of this compound? इसका क्या होगा common name? Yes, ethyl. Eth means carbon, 2 means ethyl. Ethyl alcohol. इसी को सिंपली जब अल्कोहल आप कहते हैं वाइन में क्या होता है? अल्कोहल होता है. You mean to say that you are talking about ethyl alcohol. देखो यही डिफरेंस होता है पढ़े लिखे में और ऐसे नॉर्मली जानने में. Whenever we are talking about alcohol, simply we have to mean that it is ethyl alcohol. You are talking about ethanol. Ethyl alcohol. This is the common name. This is the molecular formula of ethyl alcohol. This is ethanol, and this is a structure. May it possible sometimes you get it in this form: CH3, CH2. Obviously, OH shows that it is alcohol. Which name of this alcohol? There are 2 carbons. There should be what? Yes, ethanol. Its common name is ethanol. Sorry, its IUPAC name is ethanol, and its common name is what? Ethyl alcohol. Whenever simply you are talking about alcohol, you mean to say that ethyl alcohol or ethanol. What is the difference? When we will discuss the properties of alcohol, then I will give the formula of formation of alcohol, differences between the alcohol, usage of this alcohol. But here we are going to discuss about the name, common name, and structural formula. Suppose methanol is poisonous, ethanol is alcoholic. This is alcoholic substance. I will give the uses of all these compounds. You have to give and the molecule propanol. Propanol. What should be the formula? Prop means carbon. There should be 3 carbon, na? Yes. C3. If C3 as should be 7, 3 to the 6 1 7 OH. Its molecular formula, its condensed formula should be CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3 OH. CH2OH. This is what? Propanol. And its structural formula is there are 3 carbon. There are 3 structural formula is. Its structural formula is there are 3 carbon. First of all, you have to link all 3 carbon by single bond. After that, mention the functional group. Now, hydrogen atom needed. Whatever needed, you have to put it down. Is it okay? Propanol. If somebody asks butanol, give the molecular formula of butanol. Butanol. Then you can write. If question butanol C4H9OH. Rest you have to do. Mention it firstly. Next, what should be next? May it possible that question will arise. Give the structural formula of 3-hexanol. 3-hexanol. Or it should be right in this form, hex 3-ol. What should be the structural formula? Hex means there should be 6 carbon. Yes, a structural formula. There should be 6 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First of all, you have to write the all 6 carbon and linked with it by single bond. After that, where should be OH? OL shows that it is alcohol. What is the name of the functional group? This suffix OL shows that it is alcohol. This suffix shows that it is alcohol. And where should be the functional group? In this compound, there are many positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 positions where we can put the functional group. यहाँ कितने positions है? 6 positions है. तो ये number क्या बताता है मेरे भाई? Yes. This number shows that and say that. ये number कहता है, क्या कहता है कि 3 number पे OH either from left side, either from right side. तो 1, 2, 3 इधर दे दो. OH. Is it okay? बाकी जिसको जितना हाइड्रोजन, the number of hydrogen atom needed मेंशन कर दो. जहाँ सिंगल बॉन्ड दे करके छोड़ रहे सब हाइड्रोजन का पोजीशन है मेंशन कर दोगे. May it possible that question will arise 2,3-dihexanol. Dihexanol. एकदम ये अपर लेवल का बात बता दे रहे हैं. तुम्हारे क्लास में पूछेगा भी नहीं, फिर भी बता दे रहे हैं. इसको इस तरह से भी लिख सकता है hex 2,3-diol. टेंशन नहीं लोगे. क्या हो जाएगा? Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where should be the OH? Add 2 or 3. Add 2, 1 OH and add 3 also. ऊपर पे लिख दो, अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. H. Now, number of hydrogen atom wherever needed, you have to put. This is the structural formula. Triol also by number. You can write the structural formula of triol. Triol means 3. There should be 3 OH. Is it okay? Any doubt? Any question? Now next move. If you are facing any type of problems, because listen one thing, this chapter is very difficult chapter, and if you have no clarity and the concept, you can't attempt and you can't go through the concept. Therefore, just clear your topics and remember all the things whatever we have discussed, and we will discuss. Is it okay? Now next functional group is after alcohol aldehyde. Yes, let's discuss aldehyde also. Number 2, aldehyde. Aldehyde. CHO, but the pattern to mention CHO in a structural formula is C double bond O single bond H. This is alcohol. In this section, and its general formula is you know very well, CnH2n plus 1 CHO. But N should be 0, 1, 2, 3 dot. It means for meth we have to take F0. For eth we have to take, this one is meth, this one is eth pro. Sorry, yes, pro but. मतलब एक कम हो जाएगा इसमें. क्यों होगा? Because there is a carbon atom in the functional group. एक कार्बन एटम ऑलरेडी फंक्शनल ग्रुप में है मेरे भाई, तो एक कम होगा या नहीं होगा? कार्बन कहीं भी हो काउंट होगा, तो मेथ के लिए 0 लेंगे तब तो एक कार्बन मिलेगा. यस, इट्स सफिक्स इज अल, ए एल अल. इसका सफिक्स क्या होगा? ए एल अल. हाँ, तो मेथेन अल्केन, अल्केन में अल ऐड होगा, ई हट जाएगा, क्या हो जाएगा? अल्केनल. यस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेथ, METHEN, मेथेन जोड़ अल विल बी द मेथेनल. यस. द फॉर्मूला ऑफ मेथेन, मेथ मीन्स कार्बन 0. यस, एल्डिहाइड है, मेथ मीन्स कार्बन 0, तो 0 पुट करो यहाँ. 0 into 2 0 plus 1, मतलब एक H बचेगा, HCHO. दिस वन इज मेथेनल. एंड द स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला ऑफ मेथेनल इज, पहले फंक्शनल ग्रुप बना लो. फंक्शनल ग्रुप क्या है? C डबल बॉन्ड O सिंगल बॉन्ड H. इसके साथ अगर कार्बन है तो कनेक्ट कर दो, नहीं तो एक H है तो जो है वही कनेक्ट कर दो. This is the structural formula of the methanol. This one is the first member of the aldehyde, and in question you have to identify the functional group present in given compound. तो ये यूनिट देख करके पता लगाना होगा आपको कि ये क्या है? aldehyde है. Is it okay? Its common name, जिसका कॉमन नेम कह रहे हैं ना, एकदम वो समझ लो ऑक्सीजन है, भूलोगे नहीं. Certainly you have to remember that. Common name methane, common name of methanol is formaldehyde. क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में देगा give the structural formula of formaldehyde. You have remembered the UPSC name of the aldehyde. आपने तुक्का रट लिया है, जनरली रटा दिया जाता है. मेथेनल नहीं पूछ करके क्वेश्चन में ले रहा है that give the structural formula of formaldehyde. Then what will you do? You will surrender there? No. You have to do that by using this. Is it okay? Methanol. Second, if somebody asks, give the name of the what? Ethanol, na? Yes. Ethanol. Al means aldehyde. Al means this al shows that this one is aldehyde, and you have to follow the general formula of aldehyde. Aldehyde, number of carbon you have to take n equal 1. Yes. There will be CH3 CH2. The formula of ethanol is CH3CHO. And the structural formula, I have told you, first of all mention the structural formula of CHO, C double bond O single bond H. Then if there is or there are carbons, then mention in linked chain, state chain, there is one rest carbon, you have to mention it. Now number of hydrogen, whatever present, you have to put. This one is ethanol. दे देगा. By seeing this compound, you have to identify the name of functional group. Can you? Yes. By showing this, by seeing it, you can say that this is ethanol. Is it okay? Next, what is the common name of this compound? Common name CN लिख रहे हैं, समझ जाना. common name, ये दो का ही common name जानना है, इसलिए जो कह रहे हैं वो समझ लो, रामबाण है, भूलोगे नहीं. Common name of this compound is, इसको कहते हैं अल्डिहाइड, एसीटेल्डिहाइड. इसका कॉमन नेम क्या है? एसीटेल्डिहाइड. बिल्कुल मत भूलना है कॉमन नेम भी. जिसका कह रहे हैं वही पूछेगा, उससे बाहर नहीं पूछेगा कॉमन नेम. इज इट ओके? एक और कंपाउंड देख लेते हैं इस ग्रुप में. इस समय जितना पढ़ा रहे हैं उतना ही नेसेसरी है. प्रोपेनल. Next, propanol. Propanol. What is the formula? Should be the propanol CH3 CH2 CHO. और कंडेंस फॉर जब मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला लिखना हो तो C2H5CHO होगा या नहीं होगा? होगा. प्रोप मीन्स कार्बन कितना लेना है यहाँ, n का वैल्यू कितना लेना है, n इक्वल 2 लेना है. यस 2. क्यों? क्योंकि ये कार्बन ऑलरेडी है. अल बता रहा है ये कौन सा ग्रुप है, एल्डिहाइड है. तो ये हो जाएगा प्रोपेनल. इसका स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला क्या हो जाएगा? Tell me structural formula. First of all, you have to mention the structural formula of CHO. Now, how many carbons? There are 2 carbons. Now, there are 2 carbons. How many hydrogens atoms are needed? Yes, there are 3. Here should be 2. Is it okay? No needed. No need of common name. You don't have to remember the common name of what? Propanol. It is not necessary. Therefore, you don't have to remember it. Is it okay? Any question? Next, we will discuss about in next class कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. आज यहीं पे छोड़ते हैं, कल कोई वीडियो नहीं आएगा. You don't have to worry about it. Next, whenever we will discuss, there will be 2 or more than 2 videos I will provide you. Just you have to keep on study, see your goal and give your best. Okay, best of luck. Keep on study. Bye. See you in next video. Take care.